So I'm waiting for this to dry between my second and third coat of primer. I thought I'd give a little bit of explanation as to why I've done things the way I have, for those that don't know, that don't do body work. So I started out doing my metal work. I think it's good to get your metal as close as humanly possible before you put your filler on. It saves loads of time. Some people think that filler is a shortcut or a cobbler's way of repairing things, but that's not true. Any of the cars from, I'd say, the mid-70s up, there's just no way to straighten the metal because it's so thin and brittle. There's no way to get it back to its original form without some filler. So you saw that, and now you've seen 2 coats of primer. The reason for the primer: the fillers are very porous, so if you were to paint directly on your filler, it would look terrible. It would be dry and pitted, pinholey. It would never pass. So you have to put on a fair amount of primer to fill those little pinholes that you can't really see until you get a thin coverage of paint or primer. You can start to see where the texture is, and it's just another necessary step, one of many. Thanks for sticking around. If you made it this far, we're going to get some color on this. I hope you can see it. I've got some cellophane over the camera to protect it. It might be a little blurry, but it is what it is. done painting. The only thing left to do now is put it back together, but I'm going to do that off camera. So, I think we're going to wrap this video up now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate it.